Are you nearly done, Olivia?
Just a bit more shading on the nose and done.
All right, let's see it.
I think you're going to be pretty pleased, Isabella.
Oh, wow. That's actually really good.
Surprised?
It's just normally Malice would have done something to ruin it by now. I'm just surprised she hasn't, that's all.
That will be my new malice-proof door.
Ah.
You think you could stop me, Olivia? Well, if I can't trick you in person, I'll get you to do it for me. Ooh, I haven't used this in years. Time to cause some mischief. Once upon a time, there lived a princess called Olivia, who just loved to squeeze paint over a stupid work of art. Still works.
What just happened? You just ruined the painting.
That's so strange. I don't remember doing any of this. Better start again, I guess.
This time she painted Isabella with a great big moustache.
Olivia?
I don't know what's going on.
I think her finger slipped.
I think someone's been taking lessons from Malice.
Malice! She must have put me under a spell or something.
Excuses, excuses. Anyway, what about the malice-proof door?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, those silly princesses won't know that it was me, Malice, using my magic typewriter to prank them.
Huh?
Whoops! Did I type that out loud?
Magic typewriter?
Of course! Why didn't I think of it before? Isabella, remember that time I made you sit through my 10-hour interpretive dance performance?
How could I forget?
Well, immediately after that, I threw cake at you, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Well, that was Malice, controlling me with her magic typewriter.
No.
She must be using it again.
What are we going to do?
Well, luckily, I've got a magic tool of my own.
I better sort this mess out before they turn myself into a carrot.
Perfect.
It's the final of Zuzaa Chef, and the battle for the title is almost over. Now, just 2 chefs remain.
I just love food.
I would give up being evil to win Zuzaa Chef.
One final challenge stands between them and culinary immortality.
This is where we find out what these chefs are really made of.
Who will take home the crown
It's raw!
of Zuzaa Chef Champion?
Chefs, welcome to the Zuzaa Chef Final. You've done so well to get this far, but none of it matters now. 3 perfect plates of food, 3 hours. Let's cook!
Evil Chef Malice has surprised Gordon throughout the competition with some truly exquisite dishes.
Right, Malice, what are you going to be cooking for us today? Today I'm going to be cooking French onion tart with butternut puree, then white truffle risotto, and for pudding, lemon cheesecake with raspberry coulis. Sounds like you've got a lot on your plate.
Yes, I do.
I said you've got a lot on your plate. It's a joke, yeah? It's funny. Malice has got some bold flavours, but I'm not sure she's going to finish in time.
Esme has impressed throughout the competition by making all her dishes using chocolate.
I just love chocolate. Right, Esme, what are your 3 dishes? Well, Gordon, I've decided to stick with what I'm best at, and I'm going to be making 3 chocolate-based dishes. First, chocolate salad with grated chocolate, then chocolate burger with chocolate fries and chocolate ketchup, and for dessert, chocolate. Combining chocolate and chocolate. Aren't you taking a bit of a risk? It's the final of Zeus, Chef. No risk, no reward. Esme, good luck. Thank you, Chef. I'm worried about Esme's menu. Chocolate and chocolate? It's never been done before. Chefs, you are halfway through. Halfway through! My butternut puree is too thick! Oops! The secret to good cooking is to taste. Every 5 seconds, I would say. Ooh, look. And again. And again. Need more chocolate. Chefs, you have 10 minutes left. 10 minutes. Ah! Stop! Right, Malice, you're up first. These look disgusting. Let's hope they don't taste disgusting. Not enough salt. Bland. Taste this. I thought I was evil, but this guy, he's a whole new level. I thought my food was delicious. Right, Esme, your turn. Is this some kind of joke? Where's all the food? I was always taught to taste everything. Yeah, a small amount. Don't eat the whole dish. I prefer it this way. Right, none of you have won. You're both terrible. Your food was either awful or it wasn't there at all. Don't get me started on presentation. Where's your love? Where's your passion? You guys have a passion of a rotten old sock. Sometimes I wonder why I became a chef in the first place, having to put up with oafs like you. It's raw! It's summer, and guess what we eat in summer? They're reds, they're sweet, they're squishy. That's right, strawberries. I'm having a summer strawberry feast. But I've only got one bowl of strawberries. That's not enough. Can you think of some other things that have strawberries in them? Strawberry jam. That's a great idea. Yummy. I love strawberry jam. What else? Aha! Strawberry laces. Strawberry laces. Ooh, looks like hair. What else? What else? Strawberry milkshakes. And some chocolate sprinkles. I said with chocolate sprinkles. Oh yeah, I forgot. Chocolate isn't strawberry flavoured. Or is it? Strawberry chocolate. This is going to be quite a feast. Oh wait, there's something I've forgotten. Do you know what it is? That's right, gummy strawberries. So many gummy strawberries. Okay, I think that's enough. Right, let's dig in. What's this? Freya's having a strawberry picnic. Uh-oh, here comes trouble. Hello, Freya. Having a picnic, are we? Yes, Malice. I'm having a strawberry picnic. A strawberry-themed picnic? I think there's one thing you've forgotten. I don't think so. Do you want a clue? Go away, Malice. I scream, you scream, we all scream for cream! Malice! My picnic's ruined. Ha ha ha. Strawberries and cream, my favourite. I'm really annoyed with those minions. They've been playing tricks on me for weeks. They ruined mine and Liliana's tea party. Would you like some tea, Liliana? Oh, that would be lovely, Freya. Hey, gross! That's custard, not tea. Malice! It wasn't me. Then who was it? Minion! And if ruining our tea party wasn't bad enough, they also ruined my sleepover. Night, Esme. Night, Freya. Oi, who's tickling me? Malice! It wasn't me. Then who was it? Minion. Minion! So they ruined my tea party, my sleepover, and then they really crossed the line. They also ate the chocolate from my chocolate fountain. These will be delicious, covered in yummy chocolates. What? Where's all the chocolate? Malice. It
wasn't me. Then who was it? Oh! Minion! So, I've decided to get my revenge on them. Hey, that's my line. I've set those minions a trap. Come and watch this. One banana. Oh, two banana. Big banana. Oh, here we go. Oh, más banana. That will teach him.
Freya! Esme, how much stuff did you bring?
Well, Freya, I needed at least 3 changes of clothes a day and some snacks, which got me thinking we should probably bring a chocolate fountain in case we get peckish.
Esme, we're going camping. There won't be any power for a chocolate fountain.
We're going camping? Outside?
Yes.
I thought we were staying in a castle.
Yes, a tent shaped like a castle.
Well, I better get back home and repack.
Esme, we're already late. Come on.
Okay then.
We're here.
What? Already? But we've only walked 5 minutes down the garden.
Exactly. It's the perfect spot for our tent.
Okay, here goes nothing.
Ah, isn't this lovely? Toes in the sea, the gentle sound of the waves and seagulls.
Freya, we're not at the beach, we're in a garden. We're not at the sea, your feet are in a paddling pool.
It's all about using your imagination, Esme. If you imagine something, it can become real.
Okay. I imagine that your feet are in a pool of custard!
Oh, Esme! You turned the water into custard!
I just used my imagination, Freya!
Now, let's get clean and get this tent up.
Freya, it's brilliant!
I know.
I love it!
You like camping now, eh?
Only when the tent is this nice. It's like a palace.
Come on, it's getting dark. We should think about getting some sleep. Night, Esme.
Night, Freya. Those princes are camping. Don't they know it's scary at night? Mwahahaha.
Esme? Freya? Did you hear that, Esme? I thought it was a dream. That's not a dream. It's a lion.
I knew camping was a bad idea.
Okay, calm down. We're princesses. We know magic. We can turn the lion into a mouse or something.
Has it gone?
I think so. I can't hear anything.
Okay, let's get back in the tent. Princesses need their beauty sleep. Morning, Freya.
Morning, Esme. Right, time for breakfast, I think.
Freya, did you fall in the custard last night?
No. Why?
Because someone did, and they went this way.
But wait, what about breakfast?
A lion mask? Someone was pranking us. Malice, you never learn, do you? Oh, Malice!